Hi, I'm Cindy Pankoff, and we're here at my creative place in Fullerton, California. And in this video, I'm going to answer the most burning question about metal clay. What the heck is that stuff anyway? People are always asking me, how does clay turn into metal? It doesn't make any sense, and it kind of doesn't, but it does. Basically, I'm just going to talk about silver for a second because that was the original form that the metal clay came in. Imagine that you have a bunch of tiny little silver particles and they're held together with water and some organic binder, and that combination allows you to work with metal in a clay form. So you can sculpt it and shape it and drape it, and then you dry it so then the water evaporates out of it. Then you fire it, and you have a couple options with firing. You can just use a little creme brulee torch for 3 minutes, or you can use a kiln, but I'm going to talk more about those differences in another video. In any case, when you fire, then that binder is going to burn off kind of like a cherry's jubilee, and then you're going to be left with just those metal particles, and they're going to get heated to a temperature where they physically are going to bond onto each other, and that process is called sintering. It's going to shrink a little bit. You get about a 10% shrinkage, and then you're left with 99.9% pure silver. It is the craziest thing ever, and I know it doesn't make much sense, so I put together a little diagram just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So here you can see my finger and my finger holding some clay. That's what it looks like in the clay form. In the next image, the clay has been rolled out and then simply textured with a rubber stamp, and then I'm rolling the clay over a straw so that it'll have a bail that you can string your necklace or whatever through later on. And then in the next image you can see what you're left with, 99.9% pure silver. And the nice thing about the silver is that it comes from 100% reclaimed sources as well. So you're being good to the planet while you're making fabulous jewelry. Now, metal clay comes in other metals, more by the day actually. There are a lot of different people who are coming up with really great product lines that have different persuasions of metal clay. And the necklace you're looking at right now, there are an assortment of different kind of bronzes, snow bronze, Roman bronze. It also has copper in there. I have some more examples of other metals. We've got here, this is copper, art clay copper. The bracelet is bronze and silver clays that are riveted together. Here is silver combined with glass. Here I've got some gold on my silver, incorporating fine silver wire and making metal clay components, carving. The possibilities really are endless. If you would like some more information, you can always come down and take the class. And I also have on my website, cpcreativeplace.com, if you go to the About section, there's an FAQ area where I've answered a lot of other questions that people seem to ask, because this is such a new medium, it really kind of boggles the mind. So if you want to go there, you can find out some more information. Thanks so much for watching.